first design, I'll be drawing a 3x3 grid. As you can see, there are 3 columns and there are 3 rows. Draw more grids in between each block. Now start drawing parallel lines in between these circles. Make sure they touch only the outer part of the circle. As you can see, the direction of lines are in opposite direction each time I draw them. They make a T if you look closely. Leave the sides and the corners for the last. The next design has a 4x4 grid. We'll be drawing 4 rows and 4 columns and circles in between each block. As I'm drawing corners in pointed fashion, therefore I have shown points as grids for them. If you find my video helpful till now, please hit the like button. Again, we'll be drawing parallel lines in between these grids and we'll leave the sides and the corners for the last. I'm showing it slowly so that you may follow. Please observe carefully. The lines in the same direction are in alternate fashion. If you look closely, you will observe. So this is like another way you can draw these lines. Like you can draw all the lines in one direction, leaving a set of grids, and then draw the rest of the lines in the other direction in between the grids you have left in the first place. I hope you are able to follow. Otherwise, you can follow me as I'm doing. So after erasing the grids, this is what it looks like. You can draw them on a plain paper and shade them to make it look good. I hope this video was helpful for you all. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. It will help me immensely. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.